Reflection natin dito. So talagang sa araw-araw talaga na buhay natin is make the most of our lives kasi we never know, we can never tell kailan tayo uuwi kay Lord, kailan tayo mamamatay, di ba, kailan babawiin yung life natin. So ayan, yun yung kailangan talaga ngayon pa lang
You left Dad.
we make sure
You
that
left Dad.
we are already
You left
we
Dad.
know that we are living with a purpose and
Mama,
we are
you
living
left
for
Dad.
the Lord.
You
Nagvo-vlog
left Dad
lang ako,
alone.
nagvo-vlog. 'Di ba? Yun yung reflection ko. Kasi dito tingnan niyo, ang dami. Naglalakad lang kami dito pero parang bigla ako nag-contemplate. Sabi, tapos meron akong isang nakitang lapida dito na nakalagay na well done and good and faithful servant. Siguro Christian check yun. Ayun. Yun ang goal natin the end of our lives. Yun ang marinig natin mula kay Lord. Well done, good and faithful servant. And yung mga taong naiwan natin is alam nila na we have lived a legacy. Na we had lived our lives well. O Yuan, anong reflection mo? Tanong ko yung asawa ko. Ay, sabi ni Yuan. So we can never tell how short our life is, di ba? So what can you share, Yuan? So in every day we should live our lives well, di ba? For the Lord. Ano sasabi mo, love? Ano reflection mo?
Spend your time with your family.
Tama. We should
Dapat you need talaga, you remember na you're doing nandito ka pa sa mundo. Doing for the Lord. Kasi ma-remember nila yung
gaya nung lapida, di ba, nakalagay well done, good and faithful servant.
Tapos yung iba kasi na-remember yung namatayan, nilagyan ng red horse remember na palahubog sila. Malasenggo.
Kung maaalala, yung mag-iiwan ka ng legacy, kailangan talaga yung eternal with yung eternal values na you live your life na nagsiserve ka kay God, naging mabuting tao ka, di ba guys? Yun.
Yung iba din kasi ako na-observe ko, nilalagyan talaga ng title.
CCTV.
CCTV, accomplishment
Hindi mo makuha yung hindi mo madala
di mo dadala sa langit.
Yan bang ma-remember sa'yo? Attorney ka, matay ka dito ka.
Ay, airplane.
So yun nga. Yun yung pinakamagandang guys, yung pinakamagandang lesson and encouragement sa atin. Kasi di ba pag sinabi mong pumunta ka sa cemetery, negative halos actually they are all in physical rest, pero importante yung soul natin kaya saan magpupunta after we die. Kung meron ba tayong salvation in the Lord or dapat ngayon pa lang alamin natin, i-gauge natin, i-assess natin yung life natin if we are living really for Him. So what can you share? When you die, where do you want to go?
In the heaven.
What does people remember you?